What's going on, everybody? Jerry here with 3DHP. ZYLTECH has a new filament line they're coming out with. My rep sent me 15 samples of their tri and dual color filament. These are 10 meter samples, about 33 feet for people here in the USA, and I'm going to print out identical objects on my Bambu Labs X1 carbon. We're going to check out the filament right after this.
Several days later.
Wow. Okay, guys, it's time for the big reveal. I got, I don't know, what was it, like 15 samples that I printed out, a Benchy and a Ghost, a Benchy and a Ghost. And I wasn't doing them both at once, as you've seen in the time lapse. I was doing one, then the other. Now, on the Bambu Labs, I disconnected the AMS. I took the filament and I just let it dangle behind the printer like this, going into the PTFE. Well, guess what? On some of these prints you're going to see, the filament got tangled. Basically, it kind of done this number. And as it was feeding into the extruder through the PTFE tube, it got tangled, and I'll have some failed prints here. When I had enough filament to fix it and start over, I did. I'm printing with a 0.4 nozzle on most of these. The last one I went to a 0.6. Well, guess what? On my particular Bambu, whenever it clogs and the filament can't be pulled anymore, and it's printing in midair, and you stop it, there's no way I can clear it unless I take off the hot end. I tried to heat up a tool, put it in there and pull it out. I couldn't pull it out. I went out in the garage, grabbed a pair of pliers, took a propane torch. I heated the whole thing up, completely melted the filament out of the hot end and the cold end on nozzle. And, anyway, I got all heated up, cleared out. I'd done that a couple times, put it back on. It worked fine. And then it happened again, because I can't see the back of the printer where I'm sitting at or if I'm out of the room. And it tangled on me probably 3 or 4 times. So I'd done that game with the nozzle twice. And then I just finally gave up on it. I said, you know what? This is 2023. This is not pre-pandemic. Let's go with a 0.6 nozzle. So from here on out, the Bambu Labs X1 carbon has a 0.6 nozzle on it, printed fine. So the last 3 things you'll see, or actually the last color plus one from the prior color next to the last color, are done with a 0.6 nozzle. So let's check out all these amazing colors, and we'll go from there. So here we go. Okay, the first one we got here is called Electric Dream. Electric Dream. You can see there's one of my fails. But that just came out amazing. It just changes colors. It's a very beautiful filament there. And that is a tricolor silk. Benchy came out really cool. And moving on, we have Sunset Serenade. Sunset Serenade. That's a really pretty color. It's kind of a reddish gold. Very pretty. Very nice. Then we have a Texas Sky. Very pretty. Kind of looks like a purple and a blue. Called Texas Sky. And then moving on. Oh, and this was a dual color. Okay, cut, take 2. Okay, first off, we have a tricolor silk series. It's called Electric Dream. Electric Dream. Very nice. Electric Dream. Moving on, we have a dual color silk. It's called Sunset Serenade. And then here's one of the problems that I had to reprint it. This is all done in the 0.4 nozzle. Then another dual color, Texas Sky. Very nice. Very cool. Another dual color, Shadow Blade. This is called Shadow Blade. Here is a dual color silk series called Aqua Serenity. Aqua Serenity. Very beautiful. Another tricolor called Sunny Indigo. Sunny Indigo. And of course, as you can see, I had a couple fails there. That was problems. You can see there was where it knotted up. It rolled over and knotted up right there. But I didn't have it on a little spool holder, which I should have. Very pretty color. Then a dual color. Crimson Noir. Crimson Noir. Very nice. Dual color, King's Cake. This is a matte finish, very pretty. Looks like a purple and a green. And we have a tricolor, Silk Kaleidoscope. Silk Kaleidoscope. Now, one of these was at 0.4, and then I think I jumped into 0.6. I believe it was on the Ghost. Yeah, it doesn't look as clean. That was a 0.6. And then dual color silk series, Exotic Orchid. Exotic Orchid. Very cool. And then moving up to the top row, Emerald Water Dual Color Silk Series. Dual color Lemonade Breeze. Lemonade Breeze. Beautiful, beautiful. Then we have a tricolor Tropical Breeze. This is a Tropical Breeze. Another tricolor, Vibrant Treasures. Vibrant Treasures. This is probably one of my favorites. Vibrant Treasures. And the last one is a tricolored silk, Regal Vineyard. Regal Vineyard. Very nice. And in my next video for ZYLTECH, we're going to be trying out their rainbow. That is a beautiful color. And this one, I believe, is a dual color. See what it says on the package. Sunset Serenade, dual color. Awesome. That will be in the next video, guys. Please like, subscribe, share. I'm trying to grow my channel. Yeah, all this stuff should be on their website here in the next few days. We'll have all these new amazing colors out. And hope to bring you more awesome videos. So, until next time, happy printing, and everybody have a great day. Later.